And this is today's agenda. First, I'm going to be testing and showing you guys my live Clipper agent. I actually made this last stream, so if you haven't seen last stream, go into...
has successfully joined the channel.
Oh yeah, I got TTS on youtube.com/@techfriend and click on the live tab here. Hold on, let me bring up my laser pointer. Bow. Live tab. Okay. You can see the last stream. Or you can wait, and I will have an edited version, kind of like less than 5 minutes, of this kind of thing that I'm talking about right now, the live Clipper agent. So I made my remote device. I have a constantly running remote device. It's a MacBook Air from my Zero to Hermes agent series, which you can also see on my YouTube. I go from a fresh MacBook Air to installing Hermes and running Hermes on it, the agent framework. And I was like, I want something to clip from my live stream. So like take the past 5 minutes of my live stream and turn it into a clip that I can use. And when I say clip, I mean like short form. I think it should still be in the same dimensions. I'll have to tweak it a lot this stream to kind of show you. So this is probably more towards tweaking to show you how I use this stuff. Agent engineering, possibly you could call it. I don't really see it as vibe coding. I'm not really like doing code anymore. And also I noticed that my GitHub, I used to like commit every day, but I think as of the end of, see, like, oh, look at this streak from February 17th, February 10th to, I broke it here, May 23rd. That was kind of just a hiccup, but then officially like June 16th, June 12th, that could be when I started Hermes. I stopped committing. But what you can see interestingly in Codex, Codex even counts the tokens that you used. Oh yeah, I minimized it. Let's open it up here. Tokens that you used when you're using it through something else, like when I use my Codex subscription in Hermes, it still counts. And you can see my Codex usage, it's actually unbroken since March 16th. So that's great. So this is the new streak. The token spend streak. AI Whisperer, what's up? Eugen, thanks for joining, guys. Wiley, I've just joined. Is this your first time? Welcome, man.
Hi there, I've just joined.
Wiley, shout out to you. So yeah, if you've just joined, I'm going to be doing this today. And the first thing we're doing right now is showing you my live Clipper agent and tweaking it to how I like it. So let's go. I mainly talk to my remote agent through Discord. And today I just said, give me the dashboard. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. It doesn't seem like it's loading. Could be a plugin. Yeah, live Clipper. Okay, here we go. So this is inside the Hermes dashboard. We've talked about plugins before. You can see my old videos on that. This one is specifically for getting clips. Wow, look, we already have a clip here. I don't know if this is from this stream. Supposedly this is a rolling transcript, so we can see everything we've just said. Thanks for joining, Wiley. You see? This is incredible. And imagine not only getting clips, but something else I want to do is I could probably create a new plugin and have that as an overlay in OBS. So it takes kind of the 5 past minutes of what I've said, and gives up the top like maybe even timestamps, like rewind 5 minutes and you'll see this. Rewind 10 minutes and you'll see this. Dude, how cool would that be? I'm going to prompt that right now. I want you to create a new plugin that I can use as an OBS overlay. It should have CSS to kind of remove all the normal HTML and CSS from the Hermes dashboard and just show only a really minimal but still styled nicely overlay of what happened 5 minutes ago, what happened 10 minutes ago, um, and any other highlights that we want to persist. So maybe at most 4 items, big text, less than 7 words per line, and then at the start we can have -5M and then -10M for the first 2 items. That'd be sick. Can you hook AI subscriptions into Hermes? Yes. Perhaps it's just CC that blocks this. Yes. Claude Anthropic's notorious for them banning their subscription use, but it seems like most other subscriptions allow it. Codex allows it. That's what I'm using. How many tokens does it eat, or is it a local model? Yeah, I'm using the Codex $200 plan, and it's really good if you know how to use it. I mainly use 5.5 high fast, and I'm able to like be satisfied. If you use 5.4, it's like even cheaper, like 2x cheaper. And 5.4 mini is even cheaper, but you wouldn't want to do like meaningful work with mini probably. But like just something like this, give me the RMTP dashboard URL. That could be done with mini easily. Have I tested Fable 5? I actually haven't tried Fable 5 yet. And my philosophy for that is like I actually don't need that level of intelligence for most of the stuff I'm doing. I already have the Codex plan with a lot of usage. And also I think Codex like 5.5 is a great model to help you learn prompting and building skills, because I think it's really good at following instructions. And there's an instruction budget with all models. But if you know how to properly construct your prompt and context, you probably get satisfactory results from Codex. Fable's great because you can give it less specific prompting and it will probably make the right choice most of the time for you. I think that's like a big reason people like Fable. It's obviously like significantly smarter in a lot of other ways, but yeah. Yo, Joao. Yeah, all the Fable people are so backed. You got it till the 12th now. I'm waiting for like a good, like complex idea that Fable would be really necessary. Like it's make or break. 5.5 is not gonna do it. I'm surprised they didn't drop 5.6. It'll come soon. Okay, so let's see if we can see these videos. Let's see. Okay, so we have 3 clip ideas here already generated. I already have the Codex plan with a lot of usage. That's literally what I just said, huh? I don't know why live clipper. Okay, this is the URL. You probably get satisfactory results from Codex. Fable's great because. Wow, let's see the Codex. Wow. I wonder if how well it's clipped. Unauthorized, damn. That's a bug. Um let's fix this bug. Yo, I see through. What's up?
Still haven't used it either. If they're just going to take it away and charge a lot for it, might as well keep using what we've got lol. How you've learned promoting. Do you have a prompt library or you generate prompts with the help LLM?
Yeah, I've learned prompting by mostly through doing. That's my way of learning most things is just by doing. But I've also like obviously consumed a lot of tips and information about prompting throughout the years of just prompting LLMs as my main hobby and passion. Um, yeah, if I want to give some tips, like obviously being specific is a big one for 5.5 specifically. Like if you say something in a succinct, specific way, you're likely that your request will be answered. But if it's like yeah, vague, you might not get it. And then you got to also consider it, like instruction budgets. LLMs have like probably an instruction budget of 150 things. At least 5.5 I'd say. And probably Opus 4.8. So if you're trying to get it to do 160 things, giving it 160 instructions, plus it's going to start like maybe missing some instructions. And then yeah, you also got to kind of conceptualize how big the task is that you're giving it. Like create GTA 6 as just a single prompt. Sure, like it's specific that GTA 6. I mean, not really. It doesn't even really say much. But yeah, I mean, there is some kind of realistic expectations you need. Oh shit! Here from Codex, Fable's great because you can give it less specific prompting, and it will probably make the right choice most of the time for you. This is a great. I think that's like a big reason people like Fable. It's obviously like significantly smarter in a lot of other ways, but yeah. Dude, this is sick. Yo, wow. Yeah. Oh. Hold on. Does it fix the... So that was a clip created by my remote agent that I'm streaming this stream to. Now, I want to see if it works through the dashboard. If I go back here, refresh, open video. No, still unauthorized. Still unauthorized when I go through the plugin. Can we fix that so I can use the plugin from my MacBook Pro? Dude, we got this recap radar. This is the only cron job I have running. It just gives me like GitHub things. Oh, this is Plinus's Tempest. Elder Plinius. What? I thought it was Plinus. It's Plinius? Plinius? I swear on this. It is Plinius. Wow. Pliny. I guess that makes sense. So maybe it's Plinius. Dude. Oh, that's his Discord? The red one? I think I left that. Yeah, Bassi. I was in it, then I left. Guess we're going back. Shit. It's already got Bounty Hunter, stage alerts, prompt updates, events. All right, let's see this tech friend. Tech friend live. Oh, that was pretty late. Oh, that was 15 minutes. Okay, I think that was okay. Yes, sir. All right. Yeah. So I'm trying to show you guys the clipping thing working, but the plugin was broken, so debugging the plugin. Oh, we've made a open source, not open source, an OBS. Wait, it should be in plugins. Let's see. OBS recap. Oh, damn. It doesn't remove the... Okay, it seems unable... It seems we're unable to remove the OG Hermes dashboard UI when I visit in boom. Whoop, that's not the link. And I can't visit the URL not over TS. The stream is running on MacBook Pro. Fix issues. Fix issues. Not a great finish of the prompt. Yo, Augment OS Fable extended to the 14th. Damn, I thought it was the 12th. Double quotas too. Double quotas for new users too? That's pretty crazy. Now I have to try it. That's pretty hype. Is it fast? JK, okay. No double quotas. No. Did they do it to the 12th? Yeah. They did extend it to the 12th today. That should be my stream title now. We should make that a clip. Because it seems like no one knows. Fable extended to 12x. I should have searched on X. Testing catalog. Claude AI. Okay. All right, I'm going to do a quick clip of this. All right, congratulations all Claude. Congratulations all Claude Fable 5 users on the plan. Congratulations all Claude sub users. Your Fable 5 access has been extended to the 12th of July. I'm still a Claude virgin. Here's my explanation. Wait, not a Claude. I still haven't used Fable. And here's my explanation. I don't know if that was a good segue. Okay, let's try clip that and then post that shit somehow. Okay. Alex. I just showed Claude's Twitter page and said the Fable 5 is being extended to the 12th of July. I want to make a clip out of this and also show my parts where I explained why I haven't used Fable yet. This should be like at least a 1-minute video. And then after you gather all the relevant transcript parts, run the filler removal ums, ahs, and silences up to 0.5 seconds duration. I have max. Nice. A lot of people likely use Fable allowance up. Yeah, it has its own allowance, which is interesting.
New, gotta be honest, 5.5 gaslit me on a voice agent that Opus 4.8 locked in on, was so annoyed. Usually the other way around. Opus is firing for me RN.
Nice. So This is meant to be an overlay. What did I edit? Oh, cool, I can edit. Is empty black for me? Is it? Is it empty and black? Seems like it. Yeah. Okay. I wanted to make an overlay for OBS to show kind of, you know, the last useful moment. Earlier takeaway. I think the items. I guess there's just no items. Oh, but there's items in edit. Anyway, we'll see. Oh, shit. Damn, I sent that in the wrong. Continue. Ignore my last message. Oops. That's one shit thing about Discord. I can't like fork from here before I polluted the context. Okay, OBS overlay. Nice. Set a cron every 5 min. Oh, okay. How can we have it auto update every 5 min? Works now. Now have it auto update every 5 minutes. Okay. So yeah, let's see what happens. Let's go back to the agenda. Oh yeah, also guys, you can drop in your music. Drop in the music genres in the chat. Is my Discord my harness? No, it's not the harness. It's just the UI. Please make the oboe public. Okay. Which one? This one? Which platform are you on? TikTok. See if that came through. If not, ask for it in Discord. Good night, Eugen. Thanks for dropping in. All right, let's see the live clipper. Can we see some clips? All right, let's see. Loading authenticated video. Interesting. Let's see if that works. Oh, it worked. All right, this is our latest clip. Polluted the context. Okay, OBS overlay. Nice. It's a pretty shit clip. Set a cron But at least we got the dashboard working now. Every 5 min. Oh, wait. Look, I can get my like stream key from here, rotate my stream key, view clips. Wow, there's a lot of clips. Here, Claude's Twitter page. This is the one we were just talking about. It did get auto clipped, but copy path. No, copy API URL. Oh, no. Okay. How can we make this better? Oh, here we go. Here's Claude. Wait, is this Claude's Twitter page and said the Fable 5 is okay, still kind of buggy. Wait. Maybe it can link to BOM format if that helps. Maybe that'll help. Okay, we've got many agents running. Let's have a look at my usage. 50% in the 5 hour, resets in about an hour. That's pretty good. 90% for the week. This reset today. Just got my full week reset this morning and natural reset. I didn't have to. Okay, let's see. Okay, these aren't real. Ran it now to set, keep running. These aren't real. Also, the style looks shit. Let's improve the style with a new agent. Improve style with techfriend.net styling. Okay. Awesome, Norfelt. We got some new projects to check out. OmniGent, common orchestration layer. Dude, there's so many of these. But I've actually told my agent to like find more. And Pierre's also been finding heaps. We need to make a big list of like every single UI for agents. Or open source one. Every single open source UI. All right. Damn, this clip is taking ages. What's the resources used by the laptop right now? How's CPU and wattage draw? Let's see how like efficient this thing's going. On AC power, yeah. So I think that doesn't use the battery, I'd hope. So 0.35 watts? Suspiciously low. It's just that efficient. I don't have pseudo. Okay. Yeah, so my laptop is running at 0.35 watts. This is the always on agent. So how, and this, it's running at like pretty decent CPU, 66%. Like it's not doing nothing. What's this? What's 35 watt per hour in SF? 0.35 watt per hour in SF price PG&E. I think it depends like where you are too. The 1 day costs less than 1/10 of a cent. Wait, no. That's 1 hour. Okay, that's 1 hour. So 1 hour costs less than like a fraction of a cent. So you'd have to run it for 1 month for it to cost 10 cents. It's pretty damn good. The whole year is $1.28. Dude, that's why the MacBook Air is so much more clutch than a VPS sometimes. And you get an M4 with hella RAM and like a screen that you can use. I don't know what the Mac Minis and Studios are like. I just gotta order some. Yeah, using an iPad for the screen is clutch. All right, we got some responses here. Let's see. Is this an actual good stream overlay? Okay. Next fix, manual only overlay, pull from transcript log. Pull from, what if we did the clip titles? Is that good or bad? Hold on, let's see. What were the clip titles? Always on agent, 0.35 watts. Okay, we use a transcript. Hello from South America. Hello. Hablas español in Sudamerica? Are you leaving the M Air open so it stays awake? No. Or using an app? No. Dude, it's literally like one command to disable sleep on the MacBook Air. So I just disabled the sleep and then you're fine. And then it never goes to sleep. So yeah, that's the hack. What's the one line to disable sleep? I have it in my like as an alias too. Caffeinate? No. MacBook Air. No sleep. No, I'm not using caffeinate. There's another. Disable sleep. Yeah, this one. PM set. PM set -A sleep 0. No, that's to reset it. PM set dash a disable sleep 1. This is probably it. Because I don't know if MacBooks ship with caffeinate. But this one, they definitely do. I'm pretty sure. PM set. Right? Anyway, that's how I do it. So I have 2 aliases. I have one alias to disable sleep and then one to re-enable it. And in your like ZSHRC, if you use Z shell, it looks like I think it's like alias DSS equals I go to DSS. Boom. And then I have alias SSS to re-enable sleep with the 0. I think that's what it is, right? Yeah. But that's like, you probably won't even need that for the remote. I think I just put it in once. But on my, when I used to use my main laptop as an always on laptop or a remote laptop, I use those commands, but. Yo, I see through. You're in here as well. Check you out. Are you leaving the M Air open so it stays awake? No. Or using an app? No. Dude, it's literally like one command to disable sleep on the MacBook Air. So I just disabled the sleep and then you're fine. Is that what I literally just said? Oh, sick. It loads better now, I think. Where's that Claude clip? Showed Claude's. Show my. Dude, it loads so fast now. Parts where. Oh, here, I got the congratulations. Oh, it's not loading this one. Wait. Dude, the original. Where's. Okay. No, man, this one still hasn't clipped it for me. I gotta stop that, I think, or something. Seems broken. It's because I said ignore my last message. It's been working 15 minutes on this command that I don't even get to see. It's pretty annoying. All right, did not understand this prompt. All right, let's just try fix this. Just pollute the context and then we can hand off to a new context. Or actually, we can go /new as well. Or /compact probably is a thing too.
Oh well. Yeah, I knew that, but I guess because I use my laptop I didn't think to turn off sleep on it. But yeah, did the same on the mini so it doesn't sleep lol.
Yeah. I feel like having a whole app for just changing one setting is overkill. Oh yeah, CrisperWhisper is what I have to remove the fillers. It's pretty slow. I think I need something better. It only detected one. It's not even good. I gotta make my own MLX filler detection model. Dude, that'd be a pretty cool project, actually. Let's do that. I'm gonna use Codex for this. I think we'll have a better shot. I want to create the best MLX model for detecting filler words in transcriptions. Well, actually, transcribing and detecting specifically filler words really fast. I really like the parakeet model, if we can fine tune that. And it doesn't need to transcribe the other words too accurately, but it needs to get the ums and ahs perfectly with really high precision in time. So, like the exact timestamps where to clip without cutting off words that aren't the ums and ahs and other filler words, which sometimes are repetitions of the same word, but we don't need to worry about that. You know, I've never made a fine tune or a LoRa. This might be a LoRa case. Let's see what GPT says. All right. That's cooking. And yeah. I wish this video would load. For some reason it won't. How do I give feedback to this? Does it come in my... Okay, I also have the feedback AJ review. Oh, this is the ideas. Where's tech frame review? Here. 13. No. Okay, we need to fix that live clipper. All right, let's see what Codex says. The best path is not to fine-tune parakeet. Create a new CrisperWhisper. Speed up layer. Use MLX for fast, rough transcription / segmentation. Train a smaller filler event detector distilled from CrisperWhisper plus human corrected labels. Then run in MLX. Or Core ML. What's the best solution there? I realized that the best parakeet that I use in transcribe anything, my fork of, uses Core ML, I think, or Metal or something, not MLX. My biggest issue with CrisperWhisper is that it's too slow and resource intensive. Parakeet is so fast, so I kind of want to keep a similar fast architecture. Can I make a LoRa? A Lyra? Damn it. 13. Okay, we're getting a lot of short ideas. We need a way to manage them. Oh, we're getting long ideas too. No. We need a way to clean up. I'm going to say, Alex, give me the top 10 ideas for clips that we've gotten this stream in the past hour. All right, we got the tech friend overlay. Let's try this. What's the 2K resolution? 2440? No. 1440 by 2320. Oh. What? This one. 1440. Oh. Okay. Did that work? Oh, hell yeah. How does that look? Probably way too big. Whoa, that was a crop. It should be... Hold on. Can we reset that back to... Okay. Let's just tell homie over here. Align it to top to bottom right. Yo, actually, what if it's behind me? That'd be pretty cool too. But then I'm kind of blocking it. I actually don't know what this looks like in full screen. All right, these are our best ideas. I built a live clipping agent from my stream. The stream clipped itself. Ooh, that's pretty good. That's not what I say though. Can you find the top 10 hooks now? Let's see if we can do that. And then that one, dude, I was hoping I'd get this clip. Wait, where is it? This one. Oh, we got it? Build, clean up, issue. Issue. It's still hung / running. When was that? 10 minutes ago. Okay, I built an agent that watches my live stream and clips it while I'm still live. Ooh, that's pretty good. Give me a full video transcript for the number 1 hook with good storytelling and payoff. Ooh, let's go. Update. The producer finished. Built a Fable rough view. Built the best current artifact. Okay, let's give me a tail scale link. Oh, nice. Now this is... Oh, this needs to refresh. Can we make it refresh every... Oh, that'd be kind of annoying, actually. It should update without me having to refresh. It should update without me having to refresh. I built an AI agent that watches my live stream and clips it while I'm live. Not I'll upload the VOD later. Not I'll manually scrub through. I mean, the stream is literally being sent to my always on Hermes agent. Dude, this isn't a real excerpt. This isn't a real excerpt. You've just made it up. We're going to be clipping from the actual source videos. Damn, that was a bit of an L. That's like what Paul was saying, like 5.5 gaslighting it. Okay. Nice, I got a direct download. All right, hopefully this is a good clip. Let's see. I asked for a polished clip, I guess. Why not? Fable 5 is a good question. Wait, this is from yesterday. Like, I don't have an active Claude subscription. It's probably force myself to use Codex the most because I think it can do everything pretty well. And Fable is like pretty overkill for the kind of shit I'm doing. Like you can just see me like just asking these questions. 5.5 is handling them really well. So that and no, this is so wrong. I mean, it's a relevant starting hook and clip. Damn, I just wasted like more than 50 minutes. I built a live clipping agent, and now the stream can find clips where I'm still live. First, I'm going to be testing how to show my guys this. Okay, this is good. Create an agent to make the structured video from all the excerpts 1440p original quality. Create an agent to make the structured video from all the extras in 1440p original quality. And then do the same transcript arrangement style work for the idea. Congratulations, all Claude subscription users. Find the hook and takes and make the 30-sec video with another sub-agent. All right, 2 sub-agent requests. All right. Content updates on the live thing should happen automatically. I might just refresh one more time because I think I need to get the latest. Okay. Let's test that. There's an edit URL in the Hermes dash OBS overcat. Okay, here we go. Edit. Let me refresh this. Oh. I think I need to go like /edit or something. Shit. Equals edit. Wait, can we say make the default page the edit page and have a specific URL for the preview on OBS page? And then give me that URL so I can copy it into OBS. But if I'm like going in through the dashboard, I'll mainly be editing. Okay. Okay, so we have some fixes to the live clipper. Hopefully, okay, sweet. Now videos only load if I press load video. Nice. So let's see if I can find the congratulations here. Nope. All right, here. Nice, I think that's working. Oh, it's not working. Okay. There's a bug. I think there's a bug with this one. There's a bug I can't load the video for. This is like the one I want. Man, this is a bad typing. All right, 2 parallel sub-agents tracking their working Kanban. Oh, awesome. Dude, I haven't seen the Kanban in a while. I'm scared to look at it. I know there's like a bazillion tickets. 160 tickets to do. That's actually a good problem to have when you have agents with a lot of tokens, which currently I'm not there, but in progress. 2 1440 free clipping things. Claude subscription, congrats, 30-second render. Blocked on caveman. These agents are working. What's this one doing? Improve the overlay with tech-friend styling. Make the default page edit page, yeah. All right. Let me have a look at this overlay. I haven't seen it in full screen yet. Oh, it looks bad. Doesn't look high definition enough. Maybe I'll make it smaller. Oh, there's two of them. Wait, what? Oh no, I'm just okay, hold up. All right. Still looks fuzzy. Does that look fuzzy to you guys? I have it at 2K. Let me visit this website in my URL in my browser. Oh, it changed. I think we gotta go. This is the new URL now. No, this is showing the wrong thing, is it? Okay, I think maybe, yeah. Just gotta improve it. Okay. All right, make it look better on 4040p. Let's see what my two parallel Clipper agents are doing. And let's see how the Claude usage is doing. 38. Resetting in 15 minutes. That's pretty good. Okay. We're cruising. Another meta harness. Oh, we already saw this one. Is it just a fork of the other one? No, I think it's the same one. All right. Let's try the live Clipper again. I lost the thread for it, but I want to see if this... Actually, I already got an agent, I guess, working on it. Yeah, but I guess we can see, like, yeah, all the clips coming in. In this hour and 16 minutes, I've made 108 clips, which is definitely a lot. But, yeah, can we queue up? We can queue up more agents. Like, I've got 2 working to clean up some of the ideas. This might be a better flow. I think the 108 one might be too much. Oh shit, Mike Diamonds. What's up? Yeah, let me give you a recap. Thanks for joining in. We were pretty much just now showing the live Clipper agent tweaking. So I have an agent that runs every 5 minutes and makes clips. So let's see what let's try to go to one like maybe 10 minutes ago. I think my resources, okay, this is loading slow now. I'm like using the shit out of the MacBook Air. Let's see. I'll ask for a status update. But yeah, I appreciate all the gifts. I do. Oh, the community just teared up. Let's go. Speaking of community, I'm doing a community meetup in SF tomorrow. So yeah, you can tweet me. Also put a story up on Instagram and TikTok. You can DM me. We're meeting tomorrow afternoon downtown SF. Chatting open source software, agents, and whatever else. Hoping to meet more like-minded people. Please DM or comment if you want to join. Let's go. So yeah, come through. Also leave some comments on some videos. Nice. This one hit 1K. I haven't done that since June 26th. Let's go. Must be good. App shut. So app shut, double command, boom. Doesn't work the first time. Try it again. Boom. Works the second time. And then you say, the audio looks fucked. With the exact format he wants. I want a dedicated hotkey to, oh, we're definitely not using Spark for this. To spawn agents in my selected home dir. Yeah, configurable selected home dir. I wonder if I can show a demo. This is my feature request for Codex. Have a dedicated button I can press. You already have this first part. Is the audio this bad on X as well? Dictating text onto the audio is so bad on my headphones there. Codex is this is like the main feature in my app. Yeah. I think with Codex it's like this is like that was a export in 1080p. And I think the bitrate was real low too. But I learned how to put a thumbnail on X. So that's my first like X video with a thumbnail. Screen, it spawns an agent. That's the I mean, somehow that worked better. Somehow the crappy audio works better on TikTok. Oh shit, I see through with the big question.
So question, what is the value added by having this all process in real time as opposed to after the stream ends? How would
Time.
you act on this many ideas in the middle of streaming?
Well, firstly, you save a lot of time getting it done sooner than later. Secondly, how would I act on it? Look at this thing on the right here. It's supposed to get what I've done in real time and update the stream status is what that's supposed to be. Instead of me manually updating the stream status, since it's transcribing it in real time, it should be updating itself. Is that how it's working? I'm not sure. The system's not doing too well, I feel. Load, very high load, yeah. 110 GPU FFmpeg, another CPU, 94%. We're at full MacBook Air pressure right now. So yeah, a lot of renderers going. Audit all background. Give me list of main processes jobs. Okay. But the agents work and it's not catastrophic. It's just going to be really slow and unresponsive dashboard, which is not a big deal. It's like, yeah, transcribing multiple things and FFmpeg clipping. Auto update every 5 minutes. This is really hard to read, I think. We should try another thing. How much RAM on the Air? Less than 20 for sure. We can ask as well. We have an update. The Claude subscription built and verified. Give on tail scale. Oh, you know what? Instead of asking them for a tail scale link, I should just go into files. Right? No, see, this loads slow. I wonder if me downloading would load slow too, probably. Hermes, but that should be one less. Yeah, this is so slow. Fuck that. One less thing to worry about. Live Clipper. Ooh, okay. Pause. Live Clipper FFmpeg rendering. Have it do transcribe. Encryption based only. That would be cool. Oh, the OBS overlay is now. Oh no, it's just a scheduled job. Okay, top 5. Chrome. I think we can close Chrome. What's going on in Chrome? We should be able to close it. I'm gonna start a new session for that. Okay. Supposedly fix the congratulations thing. We don't care too much about that now. We should have a better congratulations clip on the way very soon. This one. I don't know why that came too late. We can stop it. I don't know what it's doing. All right, let's go live clipper review queue. Files. Okay, it's a bit faster now. Hermes. Why is it so hard to get into Hermes? There we go. Whoa. Oh my God. I think I just clicked a lot of things and didn't realize, and then it just went bananas. Okay, Hermes. Okay, great. Live clipper. Try again. Okay. Live clipper. Review queue. Sort by modified. Can't sort by modified. I keep going up accidentally. All right. Let's try that again. As you can see, I'm not very good at this file viewer. It's not a very good file viewer, but it is a file viewer. I think this is it. Let's see. Render receipt. Let's look for MP4. Probably this one. Let's do the non-4040p. Oh, okay, download. Right? Yeah, nice. Okay. Oh, sweet. Congratulations, all Claude sub users. Your Fable 5 access has been extended to the 12th of July. Have I tested Fable 5? I actually haven't tried Fable 5 yet. And my philosophy for that is like, I actually don't need that level of intelligence for most of the stuff I'm doing. Fable's great because you can give it less specific prompting, and it will probably make the right choice most of the time for you. Nice. Okay, 30 seconds. That's pretty good. Chrome at 122 processes running. The main Chrome process. Normal quit didn't cleanly shut it down. Force killed. Okay. All right. We just saved a lot of resources, so we can like improve that stream. But there was also other things I wanted to do. What was the agenda? Automate posting. We can show that. The Claude thing is timely though. So I might just quickly make that into a short form clip. Oh shit, Figs, what's up? I didn't see this.
How do you know when to use a new thread?
I didn't
Or
see a
should you
bunch.
always? I had kept the same thread going in Discord for like 1k plus messages. Hermes.
Yeah, you learn to learn the art over time. Pretty much like the obvious kind of way to know when to do a new thread or not is if you need all the context of your current conversation. If that would help a lot, keep the thread. There's auto compaction. You can do compaction if you want to kind of do a new thing, but keep the thread. But if you're doing a completely new thing, or you can hand off all the context you need in like one copy paste. So if there's already like a PRD that you've been talking about for ages in one thread, copy that path, and in a new thread, read, paste that PRD, and then any other new context you want to add, or just implement, go. And that'll be such a cleaner start with fresh context window. And just like the perfectly, if it's a good handoff, perfect handoff. Okay. Cloud subscription. I just want to make a quick reel. Let's see how long this will take. All right, it's 1:30. Okay, I just want it to be the update. Boom. Ratio. Boom, just got ratioed. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. 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 Boom, boom. And then, yeah. Maybe crop that too. Okay. Wow, I'm not even following though. Interesting. I'm not, but I wanted to spread the news. All Claude sub users, your Fable 5 access. All Claude sub users, Fable 5. Boom, just a quick news update. Your Fable 5 access has been extended to the 12th of... Wait. I want to do like a slow zoom. Your Fable 5. Slow zoom from here to here. Oh, that's me. Okay. Congratulations, all Claude sub users. Your Fable 5 access has been extended to the 12th of July. All right, and now we'll add some fire captions that are trending. This is the trending caption. All right, whatever, we're using this. You know, sometimes you don't understand trends. You just gotta go with it. And then sometimes you gotta put your own taste onto it.
Figs3284, you can also use forums in your Discord channel to break things up by topics easily.
Oh, yes. Sorry. I saw this and then forgot about it as well. Nothing personal. Yeah, for sure. Nothing personal. But Discord and Discord usage, how does it self-improve?
But when, how does it do the self-improvement? Is it every 15 turns or something like that?
Yeah, well, Hermes in itself has skills that it continuously evolves, like its own self-improvement system. And then I also manually prompt to improve my... Can I change the highlight color? Highlight style? No, okay. This is not the right thing. Maybe we should use an orange one. Yeah, manually update my skills. Pretty much like skills and knowledge and prompts are the files. Sub users, your Fable 5 access has been extended to the 12th of July. Okay, these favorites are weird. New. Ooh. This one. Ooh, this one kind of looks fitting. Ooh, this one kind of looks fitting. Congratulations, all Claude sub users. Your Fable 5 access has been extended to the 12th of July. All right. So that took 5 minutes. So not the best. I think 5 minutes. I mean, I was talking to chat a little bit. But all right, so now what I do is I copy this address, open Codex from its slumber. Command N, paste. No, actually here I made a thing. Video assets, paste. We don't need YouTube thumbs. Yeah. But just one. Give titles and short form description first, then short form thumb. No need for long form. Okay. Now we're trying to ship this video ASAP. While we're hot here, while we got that 1,000 views, we're trying to ship this video. And then we can also talk about automated posting. Oh yeah, dude. This is URL. Side chat. /side. Boom. Can't see that. Side chat engaged. Post on there. Upload. To TikTok and Instagram. And YouTube. Do one step at a time. I will have to teach you. We will make a skill afterwards. All right.
Figs 3284 mine does it when it come across something where it messed up or had to be corrected, etc. It has to see something that required improvement to trigger it in my experience.
Yeah, I'm always giving preferences. So if I ever see something that it's not the way I like it, I'm like, okay, so this should be like this going forward. And then I also give the rest of my prompt. Yo, 10 bagger, what's up? Fable 5 extended. Yeah, I'm just trying to make the clip for it.
Thanks guys, I had been messing with Hermes with Minimax M3. But I wasn't sure if there was something I was missing because my results have been pretty mixed, opposed to just using like OpenCode, Codex.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. If you're coding, definitely something more specific I think could be better. But for integrating with Discord, I think Hermes is the best. Okay, TikTok video opened up, show a video editing wasn't saved. Let's open this. Where is the tab? Focus the tab. Oh, we got the thumbnail. Claude extended. Dude, that is sick. I'm trying to get the agent to upload. Oh, here. It's in the wrong tab. TikTok upload. Here we go. Okay. Ignore that message. Continue. Spawn agents for... Wait, no. Should you spawn agents for the other tabs? Oh, spawn sub-agents for the other platforms in separate tabs. Steer. Yo, GSA, what's up?
Figs 3284 I use M3 for my main agent profile as well. It's been good to me. It will defer to GLM 5.2 or Codex CLI for coding tasks, but M3 as the orchestrator has been solid.
Can't spawn coordinate subagents from a side conversation. That's explicitly off limits. Wow. Okay. We'll stop it. Take over 5. Take over a tab for each short form platform, YouTube, IG, YouTube, IG, YouTube, Shorts, TikTok. Already there. Wait, let's just actually delete TikTok. I one sub agent each to get the video ready for posting. We will learn together. Do not actually post. I will give feedback and we will make a skill later. All right, let's get some sub agents here. So now we're doing automating posting with Codex. And this is actually posting something that the live clipper just clipped. So it's like while I'm talking, doing my stream, imagine a clipper automatically clipping and posting. Okay. Let's get these subagents. Yeah, while we're doing that, we probably have the other video as well. Oh yeah, I changed the live clipper to do transcription only because it was getting too intensive just having FFmpeg running the whole time. What are top processes now? And how is it overall? Overally. Okay, Claude subscription. Already got that. OBS overlay. Removed blur. Okay. Let's refresh this. Supposedly it's more legible now. I think it is. How do I stretch the screen? I think this is better. Let's have a look. On resources. Much better now. Machine is no longer getting hammered by a rendering FFmpeg. Hell yeah. And then let's ask how much RAM and how was RAM. I also feel like getting a banana. Anyone want to put a music genre request in? Drop those genre requests. Oh, we got the 4 agents. Let's go. Let's close these. Okay, first we got YouTube, Instagram, YouTube again, TikTok. Let's go. Do we lose Suno? No. I'm gonna grab a banana. Which one should I show? TikTok. Oh, you want the extra iron?
She needs like an iron mat, or she needs a steamer.
No, you can't.
Well,
Just link me whatever you want. Yeah.
kidding. Keep
Keep it? Yeah, yeah. You can always return it.
So you bought the mat.
All right. So I got to some stage. It opened okay. Correct URLs. Once you enable that Chrome extension permission. Oh, what permission? Draft upload because Chrome reject file handle. To enable file upload. Chrome extensions allow access to file URLs. Okay. To which Codex extension? Okay. Oh. Interesting. Fixed. Right? Is that saved now? So I had to allow access to file URLs to allow Codex to actually be able to upload files into the Chrome browser. Little tip for you there. Okay. Now it should be able to upload. Does that music come through at all? It's like not even showing up on my OBS. That's so far back. Wait. Okay, shorts. It's doing the shorts. Oh, here we go. I was doing it. Add suitability. I don't know if you can have a agent. I'm kind of guiding it through it. How do we do the record? Can we do the record and learn feature? And now it's doing the TikTok. I forgot how to initiate the record and learn. But this seems like a prime opportunity to do the record and learn where I just do it first myself and it learns because it looks like it doing itself is actually slower than I would hoped. Oh, I gotta do this thing. Hold up. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. It seemed like it didn't know what I was talking about when I talked about the Codex record learn. What's that thing called? Record and replay. How it works? Start recording. Turn on the recording feature. All Claude sub users, your Fable 5 access has been extended to the 12th of July. You have to make sure to... Is this like sub-agents? Dude, I don't think this has any sub-agents. Instagram needs to be... Okay, good. Set to almost every time unless specified otherwise. Okay. This seems like it's working pretty well, but it's not doing 5 in parallel, which I was wanting. But I guess it'd be easier to make a skill maybe from 1.
Yep, that's the international terminal. No. Terminal 1 is the
Yeah, I just had to sort some other things out here. All right, nice. Claude paid users got a small but useful win. Nice, and that's a pretty decent thumb, but it's not using... Oh, it didn't use the thumb. Wait, we gotta go back. I'm just gonna quickly do it. I think I downloaded it, did I? Yeah. You forgot to add the thumb on Instagram. Do the other sessions with sub-agents. Oh, recorder? So it's recording these ones? This one, could we add a thumbnail? No. It's alright. This is 8 seconds? Why is it 8 seconds? Congratulations, all Claude sub users. Your Fable 5 access has been extended to the 12th of July. Congratulations. Hell yeah. Clip that. This one also forgot the cover. All right, but it did it though. I just took the actions to complete TikTok and YouTube. What about Instagram? I added the thumb on IG. Clicking share on that too now. Okay, we need to note all the instructions I had to give and maybe use the recordings if we have them to create the skills, etc. All right. Let's go. Let's see how many views that gets. That's like a type of news thing. I haven't done a news post, but they used to do really well on TikTok. I haven't done a news post in a while. I've just been building in public. What do you guys think of the recap? Is that any useful? No, it hasn't updated it at all. Okay, but that's just an idea we had. Needs debugging. All right, let's check our usage. Let's spin some Hermes agents. Yes, we reset 5-hour limit. Let's go. I got to turn on the dryer as well. So we're going to kick off some agents and let them cook. Oh, we got 16 gigabytes of RAM. If you're still here, I think it was IC through. They asked on the MacBook Air, 16 gigs. Only 3 available. Let's actually clean up some shit. Okay, Hermes dashboard using 500. Media analysis. What the fuck is that? Chi dashboard. Chi dashboard? What the hell is this? Media analysis is Apple's background service for local media for Spotlight. Face detection. Oh shit. It's been indexing my videos with face detection. Text recognition. For Spotlight search. Damn. Wonder if we can turn that off or use it for our own. Can we turn off Ding or use it in with the CLI? Let's see. Chichi Gateway. Always on and restarts a crash. I think we can remove. Let's remove Chi completely. Let's do this in Herman Home. I want to remove Chi completely. All processes. Profile data. For specifically only Chi. Yes, we can suppress it, but it won't. I wouldn't use it from the CLI. Well, can we use like Spotlight from the CLI? Can we use the index from the CLI? Yeah, MDUtil. To search for faces or text in media. Something like that. It's not updating. The OBS overlay. Kind of useful. Oh, not useful. You can search Spotlight, okay. But for our Clipper chunks, no OCR text faces, okay. So could we turn it off? Yes. We can kill the process, but it might start again. Block Spotlight from indexing live Clipper folders. For the whole volume. Can we block Spotlight for every video file? Index. Every video? How should we do it? If we were to block spotlight in a specific dir. What should we do? I think that's what we want to do. Do it in a specific dir. I'm just not sure like which dir. And dir, I mean directory. I've noticed I've been saying that a bit. Okay, debug update. No, still not good. Instead of 4 cards, it should be 1 single line per update. Okay. Best move block Hermes deer. Not the whole Hermes deer. Chunks. Only live clipper. Only live clipper. Okay. Okay, block live clipper. Alright, that was an easy small fix. That shouldn't affect much. Fable 30-second clip done. I think we have another one. I forgot what it's called, so I'm just gonna prompt next. This one was the congratulations. We shipped that. Let's go back to Codex. Shortform posting prep. We have everything for a skill. But did we make the skill? Promoted them into a reusable skill. Yeah, okay. This is the skill. Shortform posting prep. Hopefully it's short. Let's see. Oh. It's kind of long. Stop before final post. Treat save draft as an external. No. Distill the skill extremely. You figured out most on your own. Only keep my instructions. It should be like less than 50 lines, dude. Okay, block that. Next file to review the full Clipper story. In terms of that API, but not direct API. I mean, these subscription plans is what I'm using. Okay. I'm about to turn on YouTube and restream. Okay. This is a 7-minute video that we clipped. Okay. Clipping is working. Clipping and shipping. We solved shipping today. All right, here's a new skill. Expand. There we go. Nice. This is much shorter. Use 1 tab per. Yes, this is exactly just the stuff I said. Perfect. It's in the Codex skill. Can we add a persisting preference to keep everything skills in agent skills? Do an audit of what's newer in Codex. Agent skills should symlink into Codex. Check that too. Yo, Line Roll, what's up? You got a life hack with Claude? Let me hear it. Let me hear it, bro. Let me hear it. Teabag, what's up, man? Welcome back. What's that pic? Is that... I wish I had a full screen monitor. I should look for one. I was in the market for one. I want to do lower lat exercises. I think that's what I'm lacking, dude. I should just do it on stream while we're waiting for these agents, man. Waiting for many agents that I'm saying that I'm turning kind of like I'm going insane. All right. Supposedly our recap is updating now. Nice. Make it 1 horizontal line per item. All right. It should be sourced from live clipper transcript. OBS source overlay skill. Why do we have that? Dude, there's probably so much bloat in these skills by default. You just saw like then I had to fight against it. I really need to keep auditing the skills, huh? Making a clipper? Yeah. Prompt for Fable 5, but use with Sonnet. Okay, let's hear it. Let's hear it. Oh, that is the advice. Prompt for Fable 5, but use with no, you're gonna have to explain. I don't get it just from that. Alright, we can close this. What else do we have? Oh, our resources. I think we can probably close that too. This is the same thread. Oh, it's already closed. Refresh. Phew, that's a slow refresh. Let's go back to Codex. Oh, we're already on Codex. This is a side conversation. Okay, done. Persisted, the skills. All right, we're using agent skills now. Push to get for agent skills. Okay, update my skills. Yeah, I keep my skills version controlled. What are we doing here? So these like titles are not good. So Discord is definitely not the last user interface I want to use. We're definitely going to be using something better. I've been collecting. There's so many. There's so many GitHub projects. I want it to be open source. I've been collecting them here. Let's see the newest one. The newest one as of 1 hour ago is probably Aegis. No, I don't think these are UIs. We're gonna have to scroll along. Claude Video. Awesome Claude. AI job search. Damn, I can't believe I can't find one in less than 10 seconds. We're pretty much like herder. I made a poll yesterday. Also removing Chi-Chi. She's gone. Remove Chi-Chi completely. Okay, sweet. Constantly optimizing. Yeah, we had an audit of like all the processes that were running. And Chi-Chi was like had her own gateway and it was taking up so much RAM and I barely use her, so I use Alex a lot. The content was like the main thing I knew I was gonna have with this Hermes. Okay, we have a posting thing, and we just posted a video on every platform through Codex. How's it doing? You bet YouTube Shorts is the lowest. Let's see. This is like the first 10 minutes of the video. 22. That's pretty good for YouTube, I think. Instagram. 243. That's what I'm saying. See, Instagram and TikTok for the first like 10 minutes, they're always the most fire. 335 on TikTok. That's what I'm saying. 7-second video. That shit should be doing numbers. This is distilled information. You guys even hear this music or no? Like before, could you hear it? I know you can hear it now. Auto clipper work? Yeah. Kinda. It's working. This was pretty much auto clipped and posted, all with agents.
All Claude sub.
No, not really. I still did a bit of work, but at least 80%. Now there's music. Oh, there wasn't music before. Yeah, okay. Is it real soft now too? Yeah, so let me show you the clipper. Live clipper, boom. This is it, so we can go back 3 minutes ago. No video. Oh yeah, I told it to don't make the video. Let's go by transcript. I made a poll yesterday, also removing CC. Okay, that's a transcript. Yeah, and I think he tries to get a title. In agent skills, let's do an audit. in agent skills. Okay, no, it's just a transcript. Okay, we can go back. Let's make it better. It used to actually clip as well, but I realized it's just spam in the CPU. So now what I do is here's what, actually, let's make it a cron. I've been manually doing it. I'll show you, actually. I'll show you exactly how I did the congratulations one. For some reason, my Discord just disappeared, though. Let's restart it. Oh, no, there it is. All right. So you can see all my top level threads, actually. You can see all my top... So you can see all my top level threads here in Discord. I do not think Discord is the ultimate agent organization thing, but it's something I already use, so it's easy to get integrated. Yeah, I like to have a main channel for Alex, one of my agents, and then every time I message it, a thread gets created. This is like a Hermes setting, auto thread. So for the video I just posted, no, was it? Yeah, kind of for the first video, I said, yeah. All right, my first prompt was give me the top 10 clips that we've gotten in stream in the past. Wow, you guys can't even see that because of the recap. Give me the top 10 ideas for clips that we've gotten in this stream in the past hour. And it gave me 10 ideas. And then I picked the idea, which was Fable 5 Extended. Plus why I haven't used it. I didn't ship that part. But yeah. I manually made it a vertical as well. That took 5 minutes. But look, there's a new one. The full Clipper story. In terms of that API, but not direct API. I mean, these subscription plans. I think Codex, let me show you a Codex attempt at getting this. Because I've been honing the vertical cropping skill with Codex. Did I already install this? No, I didn't. Okay, great. So let me show you. Okay. Whoop. New session. Make the vertical crop for... Actually, I'm going to trim it first. I'm going to do some manual trimming. Because the vertical crop will take a while, I think. I'm going to try trim this video in 1 minute. 1 minute trim. Ready? Oh, actually, we won't start the time until the transcription's finished. We'll do a transcription-based trimming. You know what we'll also do while that's going is video assets. So I want to make the video assets for this video here in my downloads. So I made a custom prompt today called video assets. It creates all the descriptions, the copy, everything. Okay, start the timer for the manual editing at 2:17. Remove fillers. Boom. But not direct API. These subscription plans is what I'm using. I'm about to turn on YouTube and... okay. I'm gonna be testing. This is the hook. The first hook. I'm gonna be testing and showing you guys my live Clipper agent. I actually made this last stream, so if you haven't seen last stream, let's remove the plug to the live. Or should we have it? Let's do this part. Last stream. YouTube.com/@techfriend. YouTube.com/@techfriend. TechFriend. Click on the live tab here. Hold on, let me bring up my live tab. You can see the last stream. this kind of thing that I'm talking about right now, the live Clipper agent. I made my, let's start from here. I made my remote device. MacBook Air. I go from fresh MacBook Air. It's MacBook Air. Okay, I think I'm going to delete this fluff, the remote device. Because I think I'll say that again. It's a Mac. I was like, I want something to clip from my live stream. So take the past 5 minutes of my live stream. Okay. I want something to take the past 5 minutes of my live stream and turn it into a clip. You can use Microsoft SkillUp. Clip, I mean like short form. Yeah. I think it should still be in the same dimensions. I'll have to tweak it a lot this stream to show you. So this is probably more. Thanks for joining, guys. Okay, I'm gonna delete all this. Boom. I mainly talk to my remote agent through Discord, and today I just said, give me the dashboard. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. Wish I could remove this, man. Doesn't seem like it's loading. Could be a plugin. Oh, somehow did. Oh, here we go. So this is inside the Hermes dashboard. We've talked about plugins before. You can see my old videos on that. This one is can't minimize for getting clips. Wow, look, we already have a clip here. Where's UX? I don't know if this is from this stream. Okay. Where were we? Sorry. Dashboard. We've talked about. Here we go. So this is inside the Hermes dashboard. Today I just said give me the dashboard. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage. Okay, maybe we should start that because we don't need to talk about Discord. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. Doesn't seem. This is inside the Hermes dashboard. We've talked about plugins before. You can see my old videos on that. This one is specifically. This is incredible. I think there's like better parts. Hermes dashboard. I think, yeah, there's a bug and I fixed it. It wasn't loading. Can we see some clips? All right, it worked. Okay. Boom. Can we see some clips? All right, let's see. Loading authenticated video. All right, we'll just do it from there. Talked about plugins before. You can see my old videos on that. Loading authenticated video. Interesting. Let's see if that works. Ooh, it worked. All right, this is our latest clip. It's a pretty shit clip. But at least we got the dashboard working now. Look, I can get my stream key from here. Look, I can get my stream key. Look, I can get my stream key from here. Rotate my stream key. View clips. Yo, Murky, what's up, G? There's a lot of clips.
Good work.
Here, thank you. Twitter page. This is the one we appreciate you talking about. It did get auto clipped, but copy path. Boom, auto clipper. I'm gonna be testing and showing. How's that? Now it's a minute. Okay. Damn, that took 5 minutes again. So it takes me 5 minutes of manual editing to get it like the way I want it. I'm going to be testing and showing you guys my live Clipper agent. I actually made this last stream. YouTube.com/@techfriend. Click on the live tab here. Live tab. Yeah, that ruins the flow. 5 minutes. That should be actually, that should be like the live tab. The outro. YouTube.com/@techfriend. Click on the live tab here. Live tab. I was like, take the turn it into a clip. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. This is inside the Hermes dashboard. We've talked about plugins before. You can see my old videos on that. Loading authenticated video. Could also just get rid of that. Just remove all the fluff. Stream. Interesting. Oh, it worked. All right, this is our latest clip. Look, I can get my stream key from here. I can get my stream key from here, rotate my stream key, view clips. Wow, there's a lot of clips. Here, Claude's Twitter page. This is the one we were just talking about. It did get auto-clipped. YouTube.com/@techfriend. Click on the... Okay, I think I'm going to record a talking head with the green background. That's not the green background. Where's the green? This should be it. Yeah. Rename this to green. It's not the same green I normally use, but it'll work. So yeah, I ended up doing like 5 minutes of... I ended up doing... So I did about 5 minutes of... So I did about 5 minutes of manual editing to get it vertical and add captions. I aim to audit that. I aim to automate that later. And then I'll show my screen. Can't get Chrome up. Okay. But we did ship the video on Instagram and all other platforms through an agent as well. Okay. And I'm going to use that video. And it looks like we got our assets as well, just in time. So yeah, I ended up doing like 5 minutes of... So I did about 5 minutes... So I did about 5 minutes of manual editing to get it vertical and add captions. I aim to audit that. I aim to automate that later. And can't get Chrome up. I aim to automate that later. But we did ship the video on Instagram. The video on Instagram and all other platforms through an agent as well. Boom. Clip. YouTube.com/@techfriend. Just talking about. It did get auto-clipped. So I did about 5 minutes of manual editing to get it vertical. We're just talking about. It did get auto-clipped. So I did about 5 minutes of manual editing to get it vertical. But we did ship the video on Instagram and all other platforms through an agent as well. YouTube.com/@techfriend. Click on the live tab here. Live tab. Okay. So 50 seconds. This is definitely a short. We're going to compound clip, vertical format. So this is going to be more than 5 minutes. Or, no. We could actually, yeah, export that. 2K. Live clipper short. Okay. Nice. And we have all the assets here. Clip agent, remote clips, fixed live. Oh, it did make the long form. I didn't need the long form. I'm going to be testing and showing you guys my... okay, I'm closing CapCut. Now let's try to do everything from here with Codex. I'm going to start a new session. Use vertical cropping skills on with subagents where it will speed it up. I don't know if subagents will speed it up, but feel free to use them. Okay, let's see how the vertical editing will go. Oh, maybe we'll do a comparison actually. Codex versus me editing a landscape video into vertical. 51-second video. I'm going to be testing and showing you guys my live Clipper agent. I actually made this last streams. I was like, I'm going to be testing and showing you guys my live Clipper agent. I actually made this last stream. I was like, take the past 5 minutes of my live stream, and I'm going to be testing and showing you guys my live Clipper agent. I actually made this last stream. I was like, take the past 5. Damn, I realized I needed to clip that too. Take the past 5 minutes of my live stream and turn it in 5 minutes of my last streams. I was like, take the past 5 minutes and turn it into a clip. So I actually made a Wait, what? Dashboard for me to manage the stream. Loading authenticated video. Ooh, it worked. All right, this is made this last streams. I was like, take the past 5 minutes of my live stream. What is that? And turn it into a clip. So I actually made. Oh my god. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. So I actually made a dashboard. Damn, let's see if it can do that kind of thing. Like, that was a hard edit. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage. And it's like, from this point, this one should also be hella small. Like, how do I get that in the skill file? Like, keep switching the ratio. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. Loading authenticated video. Ooh, it worked. All right. This is our latest clip. Damn, maybe this should just be posted as a long form. Overlay. Nice. Look, I can get my stream key from here, rotate my stream key, view clips. Wow, there's a lot of clips. Here, Claude's Twitter page. This is the one we were just talking about. It did get auto clip. So I did about 5 minutes of manual editing to get a vertical and add captions. I aim to automate that later, but we did ship the video on Instagram and all other platforms. Interesting, dude. This is a hard vertical video to crop. I wonder how Codex is gonna do. How's it doing? That's bad. It's like not even my head. Oh, it made it better. Wait, oh, I was zoomed in. Okay. It's interesting. I might post this. Still need a vertical for Instagram. That's where it's kind of annoying. So it's kind of good from here. Honestly, I'd even go me smaller here. I think I'm way too big. The face on the side, man. Clipper agent. I actually made this last stream. I wonder if I change the crop, will it have to redo the green screen? Probably not. I was like, oh, my face is still there too. There's no change in it. Take the past 5 minutes of my live stream. This is pretty much at max anyway, but yeah. And turn it into a clip. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. Loading authenticated video. Ooh, it worked. All right. Wait, here? I just need to be here. To manage the stream. Loading or... I feel like it might look better without this. Manage the stream. Yeah. Loki does. Turn it into a clip. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. Loading authenticated video. Oh, it worked. All right. Yeah, because then you get the left side here as well, which is interesting. And then you can get the right side only here, which is good, I guess, sometimes. Loading authenticated video. Oh, it worked. All right. Authenticated video. Like for this, we could do this. We could do this. Loading authenticated video. Ooh. And then here, we need to do... It worked. All right, this is our... Damn, it keeps switching a lot. Ooh, it worked. All right, this is our latest clip. I wonder how the Codex is going to handle that. There's a lot of issues. It should like do each 5-minute segment with a sub-agent. Ooh, it worked. All right, this is our latest clip. I don't think it's using sub-agents enough. Which is weird, because Codex used to be the one that uses them the most. Ooh, it worked. All right, this is our latest clip. All right, this is our latest clip. Ooh, it worked. All right, this is our latest clip. OBS overlay. Nice. Look, I can get my stream key from here. The audio is so low here. At least it looks low. Overlay. Nice. Look, I can get my stream key from here. Rotate, view clips. Wow, there's a lot of clips. Here, Claude's Twitter page. This is the one we were just talking about. It did get auto clip. So I did about 5 minutes of manual editing to get a vertical. And add captions. I aim to automate that later, but we did ship the... Wait, should I just remove this? To automate that later. Wait. So I did about 5 minutes of manual editing to get a vertical and add captions. I aim to automate that later. Where's the snap? Okay, so Codex finished and beat me. Let's see how it did. I'm like probably only a few minutes off. I'm going to be testing and showing you guys. Wow, okay. Wow, the minutes of my live stream. Whoops. I'm going to be testing and showing you guys my live clipper agent. I actually made this last stream. I was like, take the past 5 minutes of my live stream and... What? Oh, it's just 10 seconds. I'm going to be testing and showing you guys my live clipper agent. I actually made this last stream. I was like, take the past 5 minutes of my live stream and turn it into a clip. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage. Oh, that's good. That was good. That was good too. It worked. All right, this is our latest clip. Whoa, dude. Look, I can get my stream key. Codex outperformed me. Rotate my stream key. View clips. Wow, there's a lot of clips. That's pretty good. This is the one we were just talking about. It did get auto clip. So I did about 5 minutes of manual editing to get that was good too. Captions. I aim to automate that later, but we did ship the video on Instagram and all other platforms through an agent as well. YouTube.com/@techfriend. Click on the live tab here. It fucked up there. That's pretty good though. Remove the ending with live tab. Ship the video on Instagram and all other platforms through an agent as... Did we have the Instagram part? I'm going to be through an agent. Yeah. Remove the ending with a live tab. Fix the Instagram part to just be one crop. I point to the thumbnail, which is directly to my right. Oh man, I type bad, but prompt good sometimes. Yeah, crap. So there's no point in me trying to edit. I finally got Codex to do a better job than me faster. which is incredible news. And I just realized I've been off cam for a long time. But yeah, 2.5 hour stream. We're gonna keep creating clips. And we have a recap overlay. Oh hell yeah. Is that recap good? I'm gonna leave it up. I don't think it's that good. I can't read it. How do I? Oh, here we go. Oh, that's good. That was good too. Whoa, dude. This is like literal time. Okay, we've been like debugging this. Fix OBS overlay to actually run run an agent to make topic names under 7 words. And so the overlay fits shows one item, one line, one item per line. Okay. Oh, fuck. I gotta start doing voice dictation. Just typing. I've been getting typing wrong. So I need to do an audit of all the topics for clips. So dedupe them, make them. They might already be in the Kanban. How many do we have, and how many are from the past 2 streams? Okay, agents are cooking. Should I spin up another one? Probably. Let's think of one more. Can you update? Oh, it doesn't actually have access. I need to give it access. What's your GitHub ID? I need to give it access to my skills. They're not public. I'll be right back. Says he doesn't have one. Oh, man. Okay, these ones still probably going. Yeah, Codex. I want a main Codex. Did we have anything we need to check up on? 25 minutes ago. Oh, yep. So I quit CapCut because Codex was making a better vertical crop than me, which is I'm actually really surprised. There was I did the exact same video and there was a lot of decisions on cropping to be made. It took me a while. But Codex was able to outperform me. So I can do other stuff. Okay, it's got the GitHub ID. I can say, can you add as a reader to our GitHub for where my skills are? Yeah, so for Codex, I've been using the work in no workspace, which I feel like they didn't have before. It was my complaint that as soon as I complained about it, it it was already fixed. So, but I swear before it wasn't the case. I don't know. Maybe I'm gaslighting myself. Oh, nice. Siddhartha with the reshare of the Twitter meetup. Let's go. I'll be checking DM soon. If you're in SF and you want to meet tomorrow downtown, chatting open source software, agents, and whatever else, come hang out. Okay. Pretty much just gave some feedback edits. Okay, Codex is back with the edit. I might be shipping this. Testing and showing you guys my live Clipper agent. I actually made this last stream. I was like, take the past 5 minutes of my live stream and turn it into a clip. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. Loading authenticated video. Ooh, it worked. All right, this is our latest. I might just use CapCut for the captions, but also captions in my preferred style and position. Also gonna ask Codex to do it because I'm pretty sure we've made captions before and I've tweaked them. So we should know my preferences for captions. You do get cooler caption. Oh, what the fuck? You do get cooler ones on CapCut though. This one I just use. Testing and showing the. Yeah, this one. Let's do this one. I should use this one before too. Actually, no. No, this is good for this. I'm going to be testing and showing you guys my live Clipper agent. I actually made this last stream. I was like, take the past 5 minutes of my live stream and turn it into a clip. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. Loading authenticated video. Oh, it worked. All right, this is our latest clip. OBS overlay. Nice. Look, I can get my stream key from here, rotate my stream key, view clips. Wow, there's a lot of clips. Here, Claude's Twitter page. This is the one we were just talking about. Oh, it's missing rotate my screen. Okay. I aim to automate that later, but we did ship the video on Instagram and all other platforms through an agent. I'm going to be testing and showing you guys my live Clipper agent. I actually made this last stream. I was like, take the past 5 minutes of my live stream and turn it into a clip. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. Loading authenticated video. Ooh, okay. All right, this is our latest clip. Damn, we got another clip here. Pumping out these clips. Live Clipper agent. This is the first time I talk about it. I didn't mention like RMTP at all. Maybe we should add more to it. Can we fork this? Yes. Yes, fork. Where's the fork? Didn't fork. Oh, I had to click that. Did I put cancel? Add more info about the RMTP server and ideas there. I had the idea from last stream. If we can. Oh. So the composing of the source clip was actually made by Hermes. Find that in 1440p. I don't think we have it. Check whether we have it or not. And if I download it, it's going to take at least 30 minutes, I think. I'm going to be testing and showing you guys my live Clipper agent. I actually made this last stream. I was like, take the past 5 minutes of my live stream and turn it into a clip. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. Loading authenticated video. Ooh, it worked. All right, this is our latest clip. OBS overlay. Nice. Look, I can get my stream key from here, rotate my stream key, view clips. Wow, there's a lot of clips. Here, Claude's Twitter page. This is the one we were just talking about. It did get auto clip. So I did about 5 minutes of manual editing to get a vertical and add captions. I aim to automate that later, but we did ship the video on Instagram and all other platforms. I'm gonna cut that part. But we did I vertical and add captions. And I also might just remove this part. So I did about 5 minutes of manual editing to get a vertical. I did get auto clip, but we did ship the keep this part. Did ship the video on Instagram and all other platforms through an agent. That was through Codex. I maybe should have showed that as well. I'm going to be testing and showing you guys my live Clipper agent. I actually made this last stream. I was like, take the past 5 minutes of my live stream and turn it into a clip. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. Loading authenticated video. Ooh, it worked. All right, this is our latest clip. OBS overlay. Nice. Look, I can get my stream key from here. Yeah, it's missing me actually explaining how it works. Which I think I do on my previous stream. I wonder if we can use, hold on. I want Alex to research everything about how we got to the RMTP Clipper system I built over the last 2 streams and make a distilled story where I talk about how it works and what I wanted in without repeating myself. Usually the later version, more up-to-date version of what I said is the best. Give me the transcript. Yeah, let's do transcript based. The whole transcript of the story without missing how it works and other important details and any other detail actually. Any other directly relevant details. All right. Okay, audited all the topics. Render in chat. There's 324 raw topics. Past 2 streams, 84. Damn. Yeah, okay, 85. Render all from past 2 streams in order of most hype. Most hype? Yeah. Most hype from the streams. Okay, so what was this? Fix OBS. Oh, let's see the recap now. I have to refresh it. Oh, this is better. Reached maximum iterations. Wow, it's every 30 seconds. Testing live Clipper agents, vertical captions, stream keying clip tools. Okay, this is better than nothing. Better than what we had, but still improvement. So fix reached max iterations. Have it -1 min, -5 min major topic, or highlight -30 min major topic or highlight. That's a pretty good pretty good thing so far. Hide it for now. Okay, this is the story. I stream a bunch of platforms at once, and while I go live, good moments happen constantly, but the normal use actual excerpts from the stream transcripts. Okay, so this should have access now. I told Codex to give Hermington access to the config backup. Accept invitation so you can get access to boom. Okay. Close Chrome. Top 10 ideas. Oh, this was before. Oh, we got some ideas here already rendered. Prompting lesson, instruction budgets. Ooh, this is good. Yeah, there's so many clips we can make. Make a clip with all the info for. Transcript first, gather all directly related info and present to me. Okay. Nice, it's got access. Okay. Great. Now we need to check all the skills in that repo and compare them with mine. Recently, we should see some updates to the vertical clipping and maybe something else. And probably we need to update our skills. Just do the comparison first. Okay, here we go. Damn, we got a whole story, live clipper story. I wanted to figure out a way I can clip my live streams as it's happening. Transcribe and make clips. I can do that remotely. What if RMTP had a custom RMTP? I already have a restream. Hermes needs stable. Okay, build the clipper. So I made my Hermes device. So that's the main thing I was working on. RMTP URL over tail scale. Live clipper. Okay. Also, some bonus lines to add, such as, like, I think I was surprised that I was still useful making decisions as RMTP. Server was not suggested by the agent, and I had to. Yo, Anis, what's up, man? Thanks for coming
What's
in.
up, PP?
We're doing hella shit. We got 4 agents running. I'm making clips. I'm updating skills. Filler removal. Okay. This matches your preference. Merge it. Yeah. Yeah, I want to get a more detailed. Give a more detailed comparison with. Okay, we got some bonus lines. I already had a restream set up. Damn, I had to come up with a solution. I'm still useful if Hermes needs a stable endpoint. Okay, so it's kind of like buried. Funny part is the agent didn't come up with the important architecture first. I realized, wait, I already have restream, so I can just earn Herman as a private RMTP. Yeah, this is good. Damn, this is another version I say it. This is one of the moments where AI is powerful, but the human context still matters. The agent can write this clipper, but it didn't know my whole streaming setup. I had to notice I already have restream. So the stable endpoint, is that a real excerpt? I said all of these differently. Or the most AJ native. Yeah, this is good. Use the real excerpts as we will be clipping them with FFmpeg to make clips. Find other bonus entertaining quotes we can use that are directly related to. Okay. All right. So yeah, updated skills, fill a word. Purpose, narrow dedicated workflow for removing filler sounds. Do we not have it? Repo version. Low-key equivalent. We already have it. The repo has a more complete single-handed workflow. It writes clean artifacts. Okay. This is more better. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. What about the other ones? YouTube packaging. High priority. Okay. Has better. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Your recommendations sound good to proceed. Wow, so many bonus. At the Fortnite. Oh, this is too many. I'm pasting in Discord. Perfect. Boom, there's a clip in less than 30 minutes. RMTP server, clipping agent, all through Discord. 5 is good. 7 is good too. All right. I think we're going to have another clip soon. This is fun. I've just been making clips pretty much. That's great that you're all in. Yeah, let's go. Tempest. Few swears on this channel. Is that you? Few sweats in the chat, dude. As soon as Tempest walked in. Oh, check out this overlay, Tempest. Boom. Now you can know what's been happening. If anyone asks, just be like, yeah, that's what's been happening. Or I can't even see it here. Updating filler removal, clipper skills, building Hermes live stream cover. Yeah, that's pretty much what we've been doing. Also been checking Codex. Codex has also been clipping stuff vertically. I'm gonna be testing and showing you guys my. What was my prompt here? Remove the ending with live tab. Fix the Instagram part. Okay, yeah, I wanted better. I'm gonna be testing and showing you guys my live clipper agent. I ended up removing. This is pretty good. I don't think it's a one-on-one replacement though. No, we're gonna have to do this part again. I also ended up removing this. So I did about clip, but we did ship the video on Instagram and all other platforms through an agent. I'm going to be testing and showing you guys my live clipper. It's going to start with live clipper agent. Live clipper agent. I actually made this last stream. I was like, take the past 5 minutes of my live stream and turn it into a clip. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. Loading authenticated video. Oh, it worked. All right, this is my live stream. Boom, let's make it super snappy. Stream. So I actually made a dashboard for me to manage the stream. Loading authenticated video. Oh, it worked. All right, this is our latest clip. OBS overlay. Nice. Look, I can get my OBS overlay. I'm gonna speed this up like 2x. Look, I can get my stream key from here, rotate my stream key, view clips. Stream key part. Wow, there's a lot of clips. Also the clips part. I can get my stream key from here. Didn't do good there. Clips. Here, Claude's Twitter page. This is the one we were just talking about. It did get auto clip, but we did ship the video on Instagram and all other platforms through an agent. Okay, well, I think the initial clipping was bad as well. But yeah, it definitely on a V1 clip, vertical clip, Codex beat me on 5.5 high. So it's pretty good. Yeah, I'm getting the video clipped again. This is a new clip one. 5 and 7. Make the whole 1440p clip. Wait. Give me the exact. No, does it make the whole 40? Let's just do it. I think it'll do it. Render all past 2 streams. Oh, from all past 2 streams. Damn, it gave it error. Oh, here. Oh, we tried to render them. I think I meant render in chat. Oh, crap. 16 out of 16. Report. Top 5 order rendered. Harness matters as much as the model. My AI agents got their own Discord buddies. These aren't the last 2 streams. What are the vol topics? Past 2 streams. Okay. This is old. These are from old streams. It's Jewel 7 now. And we have a live clipper. Damn, that one failed. I've noticed, I think my Hermes is still bloated because Codex is definitely outperforming it. But, I mean, it's not doing terribly, for sure. Okay, we have some clip options here, too. And... yeah, Codex switch made my Hermes 100x better. Let's go, Tompus. Damn, Tompus, I think, came from Claude as well. They were paying Claude API. Now they're on the Codex train. What's up, Infermigo? Who else wants a Codex referral? I don't know. Did you use the referral, Tompest? I don't know if I got to reset. Also got to put clothes in the dryer, but we could wrap up stream here. I think I probably will on the 3-hour mark. Thanks everyone for joining. The clips are coming. The shorts are coming. We'll see you soon.